To download Medico Connect, go to App Store, click on App Store, go to search, the search keyword that is Medico Connect, and then click on the search button. You have to install the Medico Connect. Icon is MD. Click on it as showing in the video. Now here it is open button because the app is already installed in my phone. If it's not installed, it will show you as install button. Click on the install button and it will start installing. Now here it is already installed in my phone, so I will click on the open button. Now on clicking on the open button, it redirects me to the Medico Connect app. This is Medico Connect app login screen. Enter your credential which you have received from Medico to your registered email ID and the SMS on your phone number. Enter your email ID, enter the password. Now click on the login button. Now this is your home screen. You will get most of the profile detail updated, but you can edit as per your requirement. Now click on the menu at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Click on profile settings. Click on edit signature. Enter your registration number. Now upload your signature in two ways. Choose any one, digital signature and camera gallery. For digital signature, click on digital signature button. Stand on the blank screen. Click on done button at the top right corner. Signature is uploaded. Click on the submit button. Now for camera gallery, take a white sheet of paper, sign on that paper, and then click on camera gallery. Click camera and take a picture of it and upload it, and then submit it. Your signature will be updated. Now go to teleconsultation. Here you will get consultation status, second opinion status, your preferred languages, online status, view schedule. To edit any of this, you need to click on the edit button, which is at the top right corner, written as edit. Click on it. Now you can edit any of this, and your consultation fee, your second opinion fee, languages. Now to go online, you need to click on that button. You will get new cases. Click on go online. Updated. Now to go offline, click on the same button. Now you will not get any new cases. Go offline. Now how to edit schedule? Click on view schedule. There is service timings. Click on Monday. Now you want to edit timings for morning. Click on morning. Click on from. It already added as 8. You can change to 7. 2, which is added at 11. You can change to 10. Now you don't want any appointments on Sunday, then click on Sunday and click on delete day and click on yes. Timings will be deleted from Sunday. Now change the appointment duration in minutes. You can change up to 60, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, anything. Change chat validity and chat duration in hours, up to 24 hours, up to 2 hours, and click on update schedule. If you are sure, then click on yes. If not, click on no. In order to reflect all of this edited details, you need to click on the done button, which is at the top right corner. Click on done. Service details updated. Click on OK. Now to add bank details, you need to click on the 3 dotted button, which is right next to the edit button. Click on that 3 dotted button. You have two options, bank details and transaction history. To add bank detail, you need to click on bank details. Here name as per your bank, your account number, confirm your account number, your IFSC code, and then click on the update account button. Your bank detail added successfully. Now to check transaction history, same, click on the three dotted button which is right next to edit button. Click on that. Click on transaction history. Now there are total case and total collected amount and patient name, case ID, appointment date, appointment time, credited to, and total collected amount. All will reflect here. Go to home screen, click on teleconsultation. Currently there are 0 appointments. Click on OK. This is active case screen. Click on history. Check for history appointments or any past, present and future appointments. For past appointments, click on date. For future appointments, to check appointments for last month. Now to share your teleconsultation link to your patient, you just need to click on the share icon which is right at the corner of the screen. Click on it. Click on share. You can share your link to any of this message, mail, WhatsApp, Facebook, or you can just copy the link and paste it and send it to them. Thank you.